Hey there, that's me, Anthony Ongaro, from Break the Twitch. Welcome to my house. Now that you know what my voice looks like, let's head over to the living room. I'll give you a tour.
Break the Twitch.
In the living room, we have our entertainment center, 2 spider plants that we've managed to not kill for about 6 years, and an awesome salt lamp. A shelf below, a clock that was a wedding present from my aunt, my PlayStation, the Wi-Fi router, and a home server. Inside the bottom cabinet, the cable modem is stashed away with just a couple games and easy access to the power cables for everything. I built and painted these speaker stands to match everything else. They're going strong for 4 years now. Up on the shelf, there are 2 art pieces, one made by Amy's parents and one by my dad, who's a sculptor. I've played piano since I started taking lessons when I was 11 years old. Amy and my family got together and got me this piano for my 25th birthday. It was an amazing surprise. To the right, I have my standing desk and music editing workstation that hooks up to the piano, along with my favorite headphones and studio monitors. There's the living room couch, but something does seem to be missing. Ah, there he is. On the coffee table are 2 things I use every single day: my coffee tumbler and my moleskin notebook. I love them both. Finally, here's our printer on a kitchen cart with some of our dog Rocky's stuff underneath, and a tea box as well. Finally, there's our bookshelf. We've gotten rid of dozens of books, but we ended up keeping the ones we really love and want to reference in the future. Let's move on to the kitchen. On the counter, we have some flour and other baking items. Minneapolis has a composting program, so we have the green bin to keep the compost until we take it out. We keep things out on the counter and the metal rack for easy access, including the stand mixer, which Amy actually built herself. Pots, spices, frying pans, a few mixing bowls, and of course, the salad spinner. Over on the kitchen table, we have a fruit basket and a salt lamp highlighting some sentimental items. Amy got this elephant sugar dish from Indonesia a few years ago. And this salt and pepper shaker is from Barcelona when we took a backpacking trip across Europe in 2008. This screen print is by Adam Turman, representing 30 Days of Biking, a global movement started by my friend Patrick Stevenson. And this is probably one of my favorite pieces. It's a draft composition my dad did while he was in art school. I love it. You can still see some of the pencil lines. On the counter is our drip coffee maker, coffee beans, and salt and pepper grinders for cooking, along with some common cooking utensils. This is an elephant a friend gave me that held some great tea from Sri Lanka. On the fridge are the Minneapolis composting and recycling guidelines and these cool magnets. If you ever send us a photo of yourself, chances are you'll find it pinned up by one of these, which is fun for obvious reasons. The Etch-a-Sketch usually has varying inspirational messages on it. From here, let's move on to the bathroom. We keep incense and a lighter on a little dish ready to use. There's the tissue paper and, of course, other common bathroom things. Inside the cabinet, we have our personal care items, brush, deodorant, etc. Oh, hello again. Well, it looks like the mirror works just fine. Inside of that mirror cabinet are our toothbrushes and just a few other things. Here's our sink that has no counter space, as Amy likes to point out, and our shower, which has the dual shower head thing, which is nice. We just have a few items for toiletries and my mirror for shaving in the shower. All right. Let's step over to the bedroom. A company called 8 Sleep sent us one of their memory foam mattresses to try, and we've really loved it. You can check the description of this video for more information about that. Here's a picture from our wedding in 2012. The pillow beside the bed is where our dog Rocky sleeps, and I keep my guitar and ukulele nearby for quick access. My parents actually bought that guitar in Mexico over 30 years ago. On the nightstand, I have a USB charger in addition to a little light switch I set up to light up my closet with some soft ambient light. On the dresser, Amy has her nighttime routine items, along with a small humidifier and noise machine. Those branches are from the centerpieces in our wedding. All the flowers are hot glued on. It took me forever. And next to it is what I got Amy for a 1-year dating anniversary. That ended up being our wedding cake topper 4 years later. I was going to show you more of the closet and wardrobe, but I figured that'd be better for another video in the future. Let's go ahead and go across the hall to the office, which will be getting a complete renovation really soon. Whoa, yeah, there's my video equipment shelf. It may look like a lot, but I promise it's everything that Amy and I use to earn a living. If we didn't do video work, that shelf would be completely empty. It has stabilizers and light modifiers and lighting stands and cables, and all the things we need to do what we do. This is Amy's desk, looking a little tidier than usual, I might say, but it'll all be changing soon anyway with the renovations we're doing. And there's Rocky, who loves to follow us around the house. Continuing to pan right, we have a comfortable chair that will soon not be in this space anymore either. And a giant mirror armoire, which stores absolutely nothing. We're actually getting rid of this because when we moved into the house, we needed more storage, but now we don't. Finally, here's my workstation with my laptop and monitor. I customized this computer fan to keep my 3 editing hard drives cool, so I could stack them up really efficiently. And the 2 orange drives are what I use when I'm off-site or traveling for a video shoot. You can see that everything fits really nicely back here behind my monitor. The black boom arm holds the microphone that I use for voiceovers. And finally, the light and light stand that I've been using to produce this video with. And I think that's about it. Thanks again for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more videos on minimalism, habits, and creativity.